Hello everybody, welcome to my channel English with Bhavna. So today let's get started with another writing skill, and this is really important as well, and if you know well you will enjoy as well. This topic is enjoyable topic as well. Now what is an advertisement? Advertisement hota kya hai? Now if you might have seen Amul, Taste of India, Suzakshik Kale, Mere Wal, Teshwal ne kiya kamal. So what are all this? This all are nothing but advertisement. So advertisement, if you know, it should be really attractive. Not the whole advertisement I'm talking, but actually the punchline should be attractive. Okay, like for example, if you see for Domino's, buy one get free, buy one get two free, or buy one if a sale also. If you see nowadays, buy one get 50% off on second one. So there are many such advertisement, right? Amul, Taste of India, again I repeat, one well-known Amul brand, right? So it changes according to the season as well. Advertisement changes, right? For Airtel reaches every network, every house. So this all are what? This is nothing but advertisement. And advertisement actually attracts all of us. Now if you see, even though we don't require something, but when you see an ad in a newspaper, get second at 50% off or flat 50% off, we rush to the store. And we rush to the store even though if you require only one pair of shoe, you buy two. Why? Because you're getting a 50% off. So that is a great deal for you and me as well. For everyone, we think that and we shop. So advertisement plays very important role, and it is also used as promotion tool as well for each and every goods, products, services, many. So advertisement हर एक चीज का होता है. For example, you talk about any of the soap, Lux, okay, any of the product like for example laptop, mobiles, anything, any of the services which like for example we teachers are giving you service of teaching, coaching classes. So services are also many. So all this has an advertisement. Advertisement plays a huge role in today's century, right? It's all about advertisement. Now, if you see, those are the important parts of the advertisement, like which category it falls into. There are various category of advertisement as well. Today we will be doing one type of category, and later on I would be teaching you more different types of category as per the demands. So next is catchy phrase, contact details in the box. You need to put a advertisement. Then what is the requirement, and it should be attractive. Now, if you see, this are the advertisement, right? See, Amul, right? Up suburb is poor. Now then McDonald's, I'm loving it. Amul needed everywhere, right? So this all are what? Advertisement. Now advertisements are also various type. It is through social medias, right? Internet you have, we have Facebook, we have Instagram, too many we have apps for advertising as well. And advertisement plays very important role. Television, radio, print, newspaper, billboard, magazines, many other, right? So advertisement is a great tool of promotion of our business, goods, services, right? Yes. Now, what are the important points which you need to keep in mind while writing an advertisement? First of all, it's of 3 marks. So 3 marks you can get it completely if you just know little bit of format. That's it. You don't need to write too much. You need to write what is exactly required, and one catchy phrase would be more than enough. Okay. Now, for example, now first point is what? They are categorized into column according to the different classes. The category is stated at the top. For example, if it's classified, should be stated at the top that it's classified. Okay. They are written in short catchy phrase, okay, and words. The language used is simple, factual and formal. They are short, concise and to the point. All relevant information is provided. Contact name and address is given. They are written in a box to attract the attention. Now, as I said you, advertisements are of many types. Like for example, purchase of house, purchase of land, sell of it, rent of it. So there are different types of advertisement. Advertisement is for one small pen also and a big house also. So advertisement which category it falls into, you need to advertise accordingly. And obviously if you don't provide the relevant details, it won't make any sense. How the person will contact you, you need to provide all the relevant details. Next is what? Like for example, a situation vacant. Situation vacant means कहीं vacancy है, आपको apply करना है. Situation vacant. You should begin with what? Wanted or required. See, whatever the tips I'm giving you right now, if you follow this, it would be really easy for you to complete your advertisement within 3 minutes. 3 marks, 3 minutes. Always remember. Okay? State the name of the company. Mention the post and number of vacancy. Like what is a post, like for example manager, English teacher, and how many number of teachers you require. So this all are the requirements you need to mention very clearly. State the minimum qualification and experience desired. For example, you require a teacher who has MA in English and has minimum of 4 years of experience. So you need to mention that as well. Give age, sex and required qualification. Mention pay scale and perks. Perks means what? For example, salary is per month 25 to 30,000. Perks means what? Incentive. Like whatever extra work you do, like extra good, for example in a school, if you get good number of admissions, obviously you should get incentives on admissions as well. That is known as perks. Okay, state the mode of applying. How to apply? Do I need to call? Do I need to email? Do I need to come and drop my CV? What is the criteria that should be mentioned? End with contact address and phone number. Okay, now this is a sample question. Hotel Seaview, Kerala needs young, good-looking and dynamic lady receptionist. Write an advertisement to be published in the situation vacant column of local newspaper. Now it's Kerala. Always remember children. अभी Kerala दिया है ना, तो आप Kerala के local newspaper में डालना please, because it is clearly stated you have to post it in what? Column of local newspaper. Don't mention in Mumbai, Jaipur and all. जब केरला का होटल है तो obviously आप केरला के local newspaper में डालोगे. ये गलती मत करना. ओके, एज आई सेड यू, जब सिचुएशन वैकेंट होता तो आप क्या दे सकते हो? फर्स्ट लाइन टैगी लाइन इज व्हाट? सिचुएशन वैकेंट. देन लीव अ लाइन एंड स्टार्ट विद योर कंटेंट डायरेक्टली. ऑब्वियसली रिसेप्शनिस्ट है तो थोड़ा बहुत एजुकेशन चाहिए. रिसेप्शनिस्ट है तो स्मार्ट लुकिंग होना चाहिए, फ्लुएंसी होना चाहिए लैंग्वेज में. सो दिस ऑल आर द बेसिक क्राइटेरियाज व्हिच वी ऑल नो. सो दिस वे यू कैन फ्रेम एंड राइट इट डाउन. Wanted educated, good looking and young ladies in the age group of 22 to 27 with pleasing personalities, because receptionist is the one who would be welcoming each and every guest. So pleasing personality is mandatory for all of them. And fluency in communication to work as receptionist for a well-known 5-star hotel, which is mentioned over there, that is Hotel Seaview. Okay, you can also write for Hotel Seaview or for a 5-star hotel. Knowledge of foreign language beside English will be preferred. Why? Because it is international airport hotel. Okay, so 5-star hotels, so obviously people will be staying, coming from different countries as well. So having one more language more than English, then it would be preferable. This is what preferred. As I said, you whatever is preferred, you need to mention clearly. So whoever matches your criteria will apply, right? Attractive salary with good perks as well. Apply up to 31st December with complete bio data. What you mean by bio data? Means CV that requires your all education, qualification and all that. And recent passport size photo to the HR manager. Hotel Seaview, Kerala. Understood? So you don't need to write too much. Just require details. It should be short and crisp. Always remember. Next we will be seeing now what exactly the next is. You are P. Agarwal of Mumbai. You want an English tutor for your daughter. Write an advertisement to be published in classified column of a local newspaper. Again, wanted lady tutor. Now what can you do over here? As I haven't put a line, but obviously you need to leave a line. Okay, once you're done with the phrase, whatever you're writing. Now, wanted a lady tutor to teach a girl of class 10. only tutors with minimum 5 years. What is my preference कि 5 साल का experience होना चाहिए. With 5 years of experience teaching grade 10 will be considered. Attractive salary and traveling expense would be given to the eligible and well experienced tutor. To apply, mail your biodata on XYZ, whatever the email address is. So as I said, you need to mention the minimum requirements. Like what are the minimum requirements? What do you want? Okay, secondly, what is your preference? Third, education qualification, and fourth, you need to also give them the contact details. So this is for what? This is for the job application, vacancy. So vacancy में आप दो use कर सकते tag, wanted, needed, anything you can say. Okay, begin with wanted as well. Fine. Now let's see the next one. This is a sample question for the situation wanted. Okay, it means you need a job. Now today I need a job, so I will be writing situation this way. Now you are Abhishek Agarwal of Mumbai. You have passed BE Electrical and distinction from a well-known engineering college. You are looking for a job in or around Mumbai. Write an advertisement for the situation wanted column of Mumbai Times. Now, situation wanted, I leave a line, a distinction secured BE Electrical. Now, always remember, you need to advertise yourself so that someone hires you. So, you need to advertise in a very smart way that someone looking at your advertisement only get attracted towards you and call you for the interview. Okay, so put your all the qualification in a very good systematic way so that you get a call and you get a job as well, right? A distinction secured BE from IIT Bombay seeks a job in or around Mumbai. At present, working with a private firm in Pune. Salary expected is 10 lakh per annum. For further details, feel free to contact me on the details provided below. Abhishek Agarwal, Mumbai, mobile is given. That's it. I have already given whatever the details are required, like what is my qualification and how much I have secured and what is my expected salary minimum. Okay, and I have also provided my contact details. So this much is more than enough. So these are the two types of advertisement which I have taught you today, that is situation vacant and if you need a job, situation wanted. Okay. So I hope you understood advertisement well. For any other doubts, for any other clarification, feel to write to me on bhav.agarwal1994@gmail.com. Also, please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't till now. Like, subscribe and share. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing. Bye-bye.